Want to share a Spotify playlist with friends? Open the Spotify app on your device. At the bottom, tap on your library. From the list, choose your desired playlist to share. When inside the playlist, just tap the three dots in the middle. Next, tap on the Share option. By scrolling to the right in this tab, you can send it via your favorite app. For instance, let's go with WhatsApp. Simply click on it. You will be taken to the chosen app to send the playlist. Simply choose the recipient from the list and click the Send option. Go back to the Spotify app. And additionally, to collaborate within the playlist directly inside the app, tap on three dots again and scroll down and choose Invite Collaborators. Tap Copy Link and share with friends so they can add songs with their Spotify accounts. Remember, you can't collaborate on playlists you didn't create. Decide if you want to share or collaborate depending on your needs. Subscribe for more useful tips.